Here's how to create a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Now you can see I'm on my iPhone in Facebook Messenger. However, you can be on an Android or computer, it works the exact same. Now you'll be able to see I have some group chats that I've already created, but if you wanted to create a new group chat, it's fairly easy to do so. You'll be able to see in the main screen, you can start chatting with people by tapping on the pencil and paper at the very top right. However, if you tap on somebody's name, you'll be able to see it immediately pops into a message to them. It doesn't give you the ability to add it as a group chat. You need to specifically tap on the Create a Group Chat button to be able to do this. So let's hit cancel and tap on the pencil and paper. And now you'll be able to see at the top it says new story, new note, and then group chat. Let's tap on group chat. From here, you'll be able to select multiple people to create that group chat with. So I'm going to choose Aaron and Barbara here and then hit next. Now I can set this name. I'm going to name this family and I can choose whether it's a group or a community and then just hit create. After I've done that, you'll be able to see midway down, I can tap on the add button if I want to add new people to this group chat. I can also choose to tap on the pencil next to the name and change the name if I wanted to, as well as tap on members. And on here, I can tap on those three dots and remove somebody from a group chat. I can video call with them, a bunch of different things. Now, same as you would on a normal text message, you can just send them a normal text message through this group chat. They'll both be able to see it. They'll both be able to reply to it, etc.